Hey guys, drdecks here. Today we are going to do a blindfolded drill test. So we pulled every single impact driver that we had in our shop and every single driver drill that I had in my shop, and I'm going to test each one of them and install these 5-inch Simpson strong drive screws into this 6x6 and see if I can tell which brand and which color or which type it is. I don't expect to do very well on this test, but let's see if I can at least get one right. And if I do, you gotta click that subscribe button, okay? So I'm gonna have DJ Studio Man helping me out because I'm gonna wear this sleeping mask. I can't see anything, okay? I promise, I'm not gonna cheat. I'm just gonna run a drill, he's gonna give them to me, and we're gonna see if I can figure out what it is, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so in the driver drill category, we have the Metabo HPT in black. We have a DeWalt, probably middle of the road. We have a Milwaukee standard driver drill, 2-speed. We have a Makita driver drill as well. And then we have a Metabo HPT driver drill. We're running the exact same screw and the exact same material. So they're gonna make a certain amount of noise. So I'm gonna use my hearing as part of the, which isn't very good, by the way, as part of my test, and then feel and if I can notice any subtle differences between those. And then in the impact driver section, we have a Makita, a black Metabo HPT. We have a Milwaukee M18 impact driver. We have an old Hitachi, before it was Metabo HPT, running on a 6 amp hour 18 volt battery. We have a old school DeWalt impact driver with a snub nose with the release. I don't know if you guys ever used these before. If you have, comment below because I still love this drill. And then we have a Metabo HPT drill triple hammer. All right, those are all the drills. You ready to get going on this?
Here's how this is gonna work. I'm gonna take all the drills.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna put your blindfold on, and I'll hand you a drill.
Mm-hmm.
You will test it.
Mm-hmm.
Try to avoid touching the top left side of it because that's where the logo is.
Oh, okay.
It might give it away instantly.
I don't wanna, yeah, Roger.
So you're going mostly on like feel, sound, whatever you can determine.
And I haven't picked these, well, I just picked the drills up, but I didn't even pay attention to how they felt or how much they weighed. So
and here's the thing, you're gonna guess which one it is, and then you're gonna rank it.
Oh, okay.
So which one would be your favorite out of the 6 impacts and the 5 drivers? At the end, I will reveal everything.
And to be fair, like this particular drill here, it probably has more amp hours, bigger output. We tried to match up things the best we can. Again, guys, we're not sponsored. If we had tool sponsors, then we could do identical type drills, but we're not. So this is the best we can do with what we got. So I hope you can appreciate that. So blindfold on?
Blindfold on. You can't see anything, right?
No, I can't. My eyes are closed too, Cal. So I'm trying to be authentic as I possibly can in this video.
Here is your first drill.
Okay.
Also be careful when you do this.
Sure. Okay. I'm gonna say this drill.
You can feel around a little bit if you want.
I don't want to, like you said, I don't want to give it away. I'm only gonna hold them by the handle. I'll shake them down. I mean, this is tough, but I'm gonna guess this is the green Metabo HPT. I'd say that's an 7 out of 10. Can I go back and change my answer after I use a couple?
Sure. There you go.
Snappy. Okay. I'm gonna say this one is the Metabo HPT, and the first one is the Hitachi.
Out of 10?
Oh, this is like a 9 out of 10. That was pretty good.
It's yours.
I'm gonna go with Makita. It's either Makita or it's the red drill, the Milwaukee. This one's about an 8.
Okay, it's yours.
That took forever. I'm gonna say this is the black Metabo HPT.
Out of 10?
6.
How are you feeling so far?
Like a failure. I don't think I'm doing too good on this test, man.
Here's the next one. There you go.
Hitachi.
Rating?
Poop. 4. That's probably a beater drill, man. It's been through the ringer. Sorry, Hitachi.
Last one of the impacts.
Okay.
It's yours.
Oh, geez. What's going on here? Is the battery dead?
Same drill, just
Different-
better battery. To be fair.
Yeah, that sounds like a better battery to me. I bet you this baby drives now. That's cash money. That's cash money millionaire right there. Man, I'm digging it. Okay, I'll go with the DeWalt snub nose. Oh yeah, there's a 9 out of 10. Maybe even a 10 out of 10, but it's definitely a 9er. I still didn't get the Milwaukee though.
You changed one of your answers.
Did I overguess something? I think I forgot which drills were what. Okay, do I take my blindfold off or I leave it on?
You guessed the same thing twice.
Oh, I did.
Because you changed your answer.
Okay, so number 2 was the Metabo HPT.
That's what you guessed, yes.
Number 1 was oh. Okay, so I changed number 1 to Milwaukee. Then the Hitachi will stay the Hitachi.
Do you remember like which one was your favorite of the impacts?
Man, I think that last one was pretty darn good. I think that's probably was my favorite. I bet you it's that DeWalt, the yellow DeWalt one, wasn't it?
You'll see.
Uh-huh. I bet you it was.
What was your worst favorite?
Oh, the one that 4. It must have been the
Number 4?
No. It was when I rated it a 4.
Oh, okay.
I think it was the worst one was the Hitachi. I'm pretty sure it was a Hitachi, but I'm not, How do you know when you're blindfolded?
You just go by feel.
Yeah, I don't know, man. All right, guys, we've done the impact driver section of the test. We'll see how I did. I don't think I did very well. Now we have 5 driver drills that we're gonna try and identify as well. Calvin, bring over the first one, please.
It's yours.
This one's sucking pretty hard. All right, I think that's the Metabo Black.
You think it's a battery thing?
No, I just think it sucks. It's just hard to get in here. That's what I think. I don't know if it's right or not.
Out of 10?
1.
I want this to be clear.
Yeah.
That last one was on drill setting.
Okay.
I looked just now.
POS, yep. Yeah, man. Yeah. Okay. I'm going with Milwaukee. Final answer.
Out of 10?
Oh yeah, man. I'd have to give that a 9. I mean, it could be a 10, but I'm blindfolded, so that's a tough cookie. Tough nut to crack.
And it's yours.
That was terrible. Makita? I don't think it is, but
Out of 10?
2. Sorry, Makita.
Bravo, say.
Holy cow. Man, that's a good one. Metabo HPT?
That's your guess?
I'll say Metabo HPT for the win.
Out of 10?
9, which leaves me a DeWalt. Come on, give it to me. Give me my DeWalt. I want to know what that second killer fade out was, man. That one drill, oh boy. I'm gonna watch this video. You gotta tell me when it's out. Wherever I'm at, I'm gonna stop whatever I'm doing and make anybody that's with me watch it with me. Let's do more blindfolded stuff. Let's see if I can walk a joist blindfolded.
Let's see if you can cut a 2x4 blindfold.
Yeah, let's see if I can rip a table on a table. Oh man, that would be dangerous.
We'd get demonetized real quick.
Demonetized?
Here's the last one.
All right.
It's all yours.
Ooh, geez Louise. This one's heavy. What, the last one I guessed? The last one's DeWalt, right? What, is that what I guessed?
You guessed Metabo on the last one.
Okay, hold on. Okay, this is the Metabo. This is the Metabo, and the one before it was the DeWalt. Final answer. I was gonna throw a screw, but you shouldn't throw screws, and if you drive over it, it can be bad for your tires, so I'm just gonna put it right there on the table.
Out of 10?
I'd say 10. That thing, like, that had power, but that has so much girth. Like, this thing is, like, heavy. If I get 1 out of 10, right, you guys have to click subscribe, because honestly, could not know. I don't know.
Okay.
Yep.
Which one was your favorite?
Of the driver drills, that last one was my favorite. And then there was 2 other drills that were pretty good, that were like those 9s. Any of those 3, I would say, yeah. The other 2 are fails, because they wouldn't even drive the screw into the 6x6, but that's good. That's pretty good information, because...
What was your least favorite?
I think it was number 1 or number 3. They wouldn't even drive the screw all the way in. They just had weak. It was just weak.
Are you ready to take your blindfold off?
I am.
Okay, take it off.
All right.
How do you feel you did?
Terrible.
So blindfolded, you couldn't see anything.
I kept my eyes closed with that thing on. So even if I wanted to peek through this, it's got this little lip on it. I didn't look. That's not fun for me to try and cheat.
Ready for the answers?
Sure.
Let's start with the impacts, okay?
Okay.
The first impact driver you guessed was Milwaukee.
Okay.
The answer was Milwaukee.
You have to click subscribe. Hit it. Hit it twice. No, 3 times.
So you got 1 point for that.
I got 1 point.
You rated it a 7 out of 10.
Ooh, I can't believe I got that.
The second impact driver you guessed Metabo.
Uh-huh.
The answer was Metabo. That's 2 points.
Peace.
You gave it a 9 out of 10.
That was the HPT driver?
Yes.
Wow, I use those every day, and I couldn't really distinguish the difference, honestly. That was a lucky guess. Okay, hit me with 3. What do we got?
The third one you guessed Makita.
Uh-huh.
The real drill was Hitachi. And you gave it an 8 out of 10.
Wah, wah. Wow. An old school Hitachi drill still has an 8 out of 10. That's incredible. We're running a multi-volt battery on that drill? Oh no, just a 6. Okay, we're running a 6 amp hour battery, 18 volts. So these Hitachi drills are not backwards compatible with the new stuff. So, man, I'll keep that one around the shop. That's a winner.
Okay, we're on 4 now.
Okay.
You guessed for number 4, Black Metabo.
Mm-hmm.
The answer was DeWalt, which you gave a 6 out of 10.
She's an older drill. Okay. Wah, wah.
Number 5, you guessed Hitachi.
Mm-hmm.
The answer was Makita. And you gave it a poo out of 10. But you changed it to 4.
Okay.
And the last drill, by the way, all of these batteries were charged, just so you know. Because for this one, I was looking over there and I found one on the charger that was the same as what was on it. You guessed it was DeWalt.
Uh-huh.
It was actually the Black Metabo, which you gave a 9 out of 10, and it was your favorite.
Wow. Interesting.
And your least favorite was the Makita, which was the one before.
I'll stand by that, I guess, because it's not their premium drill, so... You know, I could take it or leave it.
So from that, you only got 2 right.
2 out of 6? Yeah. I'm surprised I got any out of 6. I started out strong, and I finished weak.
All right, let's move to the drivers, shall we?
All right, let's move to the drivers.
The first one, you guessed the Black Metabo.
Okay.
It was actually the Black Metabo, which you gave a 1 out of 10.
Click subscribe.
The next one you guessed was Milwaukee.
Mm-hmm.
It was actually the DeWalt, which you gave a 9 out of 10.
Probably wasn't used a whole lot.
The third driver, you guessed Makita.
Mm-hmm.
It was actually Makita. Another point. But you also gave it a 2 out of 10.
Boy, Makita's not doing too good in this test.
For number 4, you originally said it was Metabo, but you changed it to DeWalt. It was actually the Milwaukee. and you gave it a 9 out of 10.
That was a good drill.
And the final driver, you said it was the Metabo.
Mm-hmm.
And it was actually the Metabo.
Sweet.
And you gave it a 10 out of 10, your favorite. Which is interesting because the black Metabo was your least favorite. So in total, you got 5.
I'll take it. That's 500, man. That's 50%. Not bad for an old man.
Well, there's 6.
Oh, 11. So almost 50%. Okay, I can't add. But it's good. That's good. I'm proud of that. That's a tough test, man. If you guys want to see more blindfolded tests of safe ways to like check things out, leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget, I've asked you several times, if you haven't done it yet, please click that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Like this video, but I want to hear your comments, man. What did you guys think of this video? Was it funny? Was it dumb? Was it too long? Was it not long enough? We want your input, and we really appreciate you coming to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.